Hey everybody, hope everyone's doing well today. Today I'm going to be doing a review of the TOGUARD home security camera 1080p 4P security system. This is the wired solution as opposed to my W300 video, which is the wireless solution. The reason why I'm doing a wired solution video is because, sometimes a Wi-Fi signal is not that strong. You could actually use a prolonged Ethernet cable to actually run wires along your house. Some people also prefer the wired connection because for security purposes, in case somebody hacks into your Wi-Fi system, as well as, sometimes you don't have that access point to reach, the Wi-Fi supported cameras. You're gonna have to buy extended Wi-Fi antennas for your cameras if that's the case. But in this case, this is the wired solution. I recommended this one for my friend because it doesn't reach, his access point does not reach around his house, and this was the easiest solution for him. So I'm gonna do an unboxing real quick, just to show you everything. Again, this is the model W204. You can see over here. So let's go straight to it and open the box. Okay. Alright, so straight from the box we have the manual here. We have this gift thing that you just need to leave an honest review to this website and they could provide you with one or the other. So the 1 terabyte hard disk, it does not come with the product. You're gonna have to purchase that separately. So that's a solution for you. The wiring, or if this is very interesting. You could get extra cabling here. By default, you get 65 feet of wiring, but that's equivalent to 20 meters. I don't know if that's going to be enough for you, but you can take a look at that. So let's go straight to the unboxing here. So this is the head unit. This is where everything gets recorded. TOGUARD, you can see that is how it looks like. Okay, so let's go straight to the back. Now, all of these inputs here are actually the video ins. So they're responsible for, this is where you actually plug in all of the cameras and everything. Yeah, so let's go straight to it. So then we have a VGA over here, right over here. This is for, if you want to have a monitor attached, just a regular computer screen, or you could go with the HDMI route if you want to see that. There's a audio out and audio ins. So these are all audio ins. This is an audio out. The Ethernet connection is here, and there's USB sticks over here and power. And these I have, I don't know what those are, but yeah, that's about it. That's the back. It's very simple. So the cameras, we actually plug it in these channels over here. So I'll start with 1, 2, 3, 4 as specified over here, and then you could also attach 4 different cameras in here as well. So pretty simple. Again, in my other video of the 300 W300 video, I do open this up, so you can see that there's 2 screws over here. All you got to do is remove these 2 Phillips screws, as well as on the other side, and then you can pop in the hard drive. You can take a look at the other video. It's all there. So let's go open the box and see what else is in here. So we have this, and we have this. Okay, so let's open this for now. Alright, this is the mouse kit for the actual NVR. So you can see over here we have a USB stick. We have 2 USBs. One is for the mouse, and the other one, I guess you could connect an external hard drive. I'm not too sure on that, but I believe we could. It's just USB ports. So I believe you could use that. So that's for the mouse over here. Again, this is also shown in my other video. We also have a power adapter. I believe this is for the NVR, and I believe it's an Ethernet cable. Yep. This is an Ethernet cable, so this is you can actually plug it in to the NVR straight to your router or your networking system. We got some few screws. These screws are for the hard drive. Keep that handy. And we got another piece here. Again, I don't know what this is useful for. But yeah, if you guys know what that's useful for, just leave a comment in the description down below. I'll take a look at it. So I guess this is where all the cameras are placed. Yep. So you can see that over here. Wait, I can show you guys. Okay. So this is what's inside of the box. You can see that there's a bunch of cabling. So this is 20 meters of cabling, 65 feet. You can see here that we have the video cable and the power cable. So this is how it looks like. This is the power, and this is the video. On the other side, we have the same thing. We got the power and we got the video. Video actually plugs into the NVR system, like I showed you, channel 128. We plug this into 1 to 4, as we have 4 cameras here. But the wiring is pretty straightforward, very simple. Let's get straight to the cameras. So here we have another power adapter, power supply. We should also get splitter for the wiring. That's what I read online. We should have that. It's probably inside. Nope, this is the NVR. Let's see, let's open the boxes and see. So this is a camera. Comes with all the Allen screws and mounting screws. Let's take a look at this. Okay, this camera, straight off the bat, you could see that it's pretty sturdy. It's made of metal. We got, these are LEDs. This is the light sensor. Looks good. It's all metal. There's like a plastic shielding on top of the camera itself. You can see the brand name. It says TOGUARD over here. But yeah, you can mount it as you prefer. Once you prefer what position you like the camera in, I guess you could turn this Allen screw over here and tighten the position where you want it. Where would you like to position the camera? So yeah, that's about it. This cabling over here, again, one is for the power and one is for the actual wiring of the cables. So let's, for an example, take this cabling over here. I'm just gonna use this. This is for the power. Plug it in like that. This is for the video. Plug it in and turn like that. Simple coaxial cable. Now here, what you have to do is you gotta power this to the plug. I need to find the adapter. So there's actually a there's supposed to be a power adapter splitter where you have to just like plug it in to the power and one power plug to the wall. I'm gonna try to look for it right now, and this actually goes into the NVR. So let's look for that splitter that I was just talking about. Oh, this is it. So there you go. This is the splitter that I was mentioning. So all of these wires here that I plugged in. So let's see, which one did I plug to the camera? This is the one. So this is the one that I plugged into the camera, as you can see here. So this wiring actually goes over here, and so on and so forth. So let's say that I plugged in the camera on this one as well. We actually plug that in here. Oops. This side. This side. So you could go like that. This one plugs into the camera, this section. And so on and so forth. You plug in the other two cameras or other two cablings over here. And then we have one power adapter, which we just need to plug this in. And this goes straight to the wall. So it's very straightforward. You don't need 4 of these, unlike the W204, where we have like a separate power cable for each individual camera. This is pretty easy. You know, you run all these wirings to the NVR and you just need one power adapter to plug against the wall. And obviously you need another one for your NVR. That's about it. So, you know, this wired solution, I believe it's a bit simpler than the wired wireless one. Because it's simple, because like if you don't have any power adapters right next to your camera, then this would be the easiest solution, because you're gonna have to run wires along your house to a power adapter anyways, and I think this is more secure than having having a wireless solution. So you know, I would recommend this for you guys. So yeah, that's about it. That's as far as the unboxing goes. You can see that, you know, all the other boxes, all the other cameras would be the same. If you guys have any questions, do let me know. And please watch my other video where I do set up the NVR unit, and you could actually see how it looks like. So this would be the same thing. I just did the unboxing here, but it will be the same same way on how to actually set everything up. In terms of the hard drive memory, you could actually record up to for 1 terabyte hard drive. I got a question on my previous video where how long could I record? Well, the recording actually lasts a month. If you do 24/7 recording, it would actually last you a month for a 1 terabyte hard drive. So yeah, if you guys have any other questions, do let me know, and I'll get back to you shortly. Thank you very much.